Hey, how you doing? This is Garage Door Mike, and today I'm going to show you some things that can cause the photo eyes to reverse. Like if you have to push your push button down and hold it to get the door to close, or your remotes will not close the door. 9 out of 9 times it's the photo eye problem. And here is one reason right here. I'm going to show you. Dun, 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 dun. Let me get out of the way. See all them cobwebs and leaves and stuff on the photo eye? That is a major cause of... Let's see if the camera will adjust. It's really bright out. There we go. All these cobwebs and leaves and stuff over the photo eye, that's no good. And it's tilted down. Make sure these wing nuts are tight, okay? Make sure the eye is clear of all cobwebs and leaves and whatever else. I actually had a spider make a web inside the eye once. That was a neat one. Another thing that can cause the photo eyes to reverse are cobwebs and leaves and crap on the door. So when this comes down, if any of this stuff goes like this right in the way of that photo eye, it's gonna reverse. I've seen leaves do it, like this right here. That'll cause that photo eye to reverse right there. It's gonna take all that crap down. You can see the spider webs are just the strongest known substance, strength to man, spider webs. But anyways, another thing that can cause them photo eyes to go bad are stickers. Will actually peel off and they will go in front of the eye. Now this one's not going to be doing that because it's got a strut over it, but I have seen when the strut is actually in the right place, which is the second panel, not the bottom, the sticker will peel off one way or the other, and then that will go in front of the eye, and that will also cause it to reverse. Obviously, if the tracks get hit or the eye gets hit and it's going one way or the other, or if these wing nuts are loose. So those are a couple things that will cause your photo eyes to reverse. This is an innovative quick tip tutorial. So hopefully that'll help someone out and get you back rolling, so you ain't got to call someone out for a service call for that. Gas prices are going up, so you're going to be getting charged, not the full service call, but you'll be getting charged a good amount of a service call to come out and get that done, because gas is expensive again now. So for all your garage door needs, photo eyes, correcting, new photo eyes, springs, whatever, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, and we will like you. Thank you for watching our What Causes the Photo Eyes to Come Out of Alignment video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our getting rid of the cobwebs on the photo eye garage door video.